Hello, my name is Virginia Whitmer, and I'm the Outreach Coordinator for the Virginia Coastal Zone Management Program, which is a network of state agencies and coastal localities that is led by the Department of Environmental Quality. And I'm here today at Maymont doing one of my favorite things, which is sitting under a majestic tree. Oaks live hundreds of years. White oaks can live up to 600 years. So imagine the stories that they can tell. As a matter of fact, the oak species was declared the national tree back in 2004. The white oak and other oaks are especially important for their habitat benefits. There are 534 moths and butterflies that use this tree, and their caterpillars are an important food source to birds. Birds feed their young caterpillars because they're very soft and fleshy. It takes thousands of caterpillars to raise a nest of chicks. That's just one of the stories that I've heard that just captures my imagination. The trees that surround me right now are native trees. They're native to Virginia. And what I'd like to highlight is the availability of a new guide to Virginia native plants of Virginia's capital region. This is being brought to you free of charge by the Plant Our VA Natives campaign. You can download this guide and find out where you can pick up a hard copy on plantvirginianatives.org. I think trees really invoke a sense of serenity and peace. My love affair with trees started when I was young and I roamed the woods in upstate New York, and I'd sit for hours under a tree reading and just using my imagination. Thank you for visiting with me under this beautiful native oak today, and please do come and visit Maymont, and you'll be welcomed by all these wonderful native trees.